How Microwave Ovens Work by Patrick Diver, John Audet, and Delia Moran. Whether you are heating up some Hot Pockets so you can have a snack or making some Stouffer's mac and cheese for dinner, you probably use the microwave to accomplish those tasks. But do you ever wonder how a microwave heats up the food that is placed inside? Well, in this video, you're about to find out what exactly happens inside the microwave oven and how it works. Inside each microwave oven are magnetrons. A magnetron is a copper tube with a copper rod down the center, placed inside a vacuum. A high voltage is applied across the tube conductors, causing electrons to move to the vacuum, from the rod to the tube. The magnetic field the tube is located in creates a force, causing the electrons to spiral out. The electrons vibrate in cavities of the tube, creating microwaves. Afterwards, these microwaves are fed into the oven interior to heat up and cook your food. How a magnetron works has a lot to do with what the defrost setting on your microwave actually does. When you're defrosting something, your microwave is simply turning the magnetron on and off. This allows it to generate full power microwaves for only part of the total cooking time. So how do microwaves actually heat up food? Microwaves are a form of EM radiation. The microwaves emitted by the magnetron are absorbed by water, fat, and sugar molecules. The microwaves vibrate these molecules, causing them to excite and heat up. The excited molecules expand, weakening the IMF between them. This helps to explain why microwaves aren't absorbed well by ice. Because ice is a frozen solid, the molecules are packed very tightly together, making it hard for them to get excited and heat up. Ice takes a huge amount of energy to be melted. In fact, just a gram of snow takes about 335 joules of energy to melt. One of the most common questions that people have with microwaves is how come there can sometimes be sparks when cooking food? Also, people wonder, why can't certain materials be put inside a microwave? Well, here's why. Minerals in the food we eat act like tiny pieces of metal because they essentially are. The electromagnetic waves reflect off the metal and create sparks, which is called an arcing effect. Certain electric fields are needed to create this effect, and when a microwave oven runs, it creates an electric field. The small minerals in your vegetables can act as conductors and create a stronger electric field than that of the air around it. When you cut your vegetables into small pieces, it increases the likelihood of sparks, since each piece develops a different individual charge. These charges can create sparks between the pieces of cut up vegetables. An object's shape can also affect the likelihood of a spark generating in the oven. For example, things with pointy or sharp edges such as forks and knives are more likely to create sparks in the microwave than things like plates and bowls.